In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Aweber form on website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your form in Aweber, which publish option to choose, and how to place the code on your site so it appears exactly where you want it. Start by opening your browser and searching for Aweber. In the results, look for the official Aweber site with a secure connection. Click through to the home page so you're in the right place to access your account. Next, click Sign In. Log in securely to your Aweber account as you normally would. Once you're in, head to the navigation and open Pages and Forms. This is where all of your forms and landing pages live. From there, select Sign Up Forms to view the forms you've already created. If you manage multiple lists, make sure you're looking at the list that contains the form you want to embed. Find the form you want on your website and click Publish next to it. On the Publish screen, choose I will install my form. You'll see two choices. The JavaScript snippet is the best option for most people. It automatically pulls in changes you make inside Aweber, so if you tweak the design or update a field later, your website updates itself without needing to touch the code again. The raw HTML version is better if you plan to hand-edit the form's HTML or CSS, or if your website platform or builder doesn't support JavaScript. Just remember, with raw HTML, anytime you change the form in Aweber, you'll need to replace the code on your site. Now copy the code for the option you chose. Go to your website's editor and open the page or area where you want the form to appear. Paste the code into a custom HTML or code block, which most site builders provide. Common placements include your home page, a sidebar, the footer, or a dedicated landing page. Save or publish your changes, then preview the page to confirm the form loads correctly and matches your layout. If it doesn't appear right away, make sure you pasted the code in an HTML block rather than a visual text block, and try refreshing or clearing your browser cache. If you don't have a website yet, Aweber can host the sign-up form for you. You'll get a direct URL you can share on social media, in your email signature, or anywhere you promote your list. That's it. You searched for Aweber, signed in, navigated to Pages and Forms, selected Sign Up Forms, clicked Publish, chose I will install my form, and pasted the code into your site. You're ready to start collecting subscribers.